ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಚ್ಎಸ್ಆರ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ಐವಿಎಫ್ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಿತು. ಜುಲೈ 21, 2023. ವಿಶೇಷ ಏನೆಂದರೆ ಕಳೆದ 45 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಐವಿಎಫ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಜನಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಅನೇಕರು ಬಂಜೆತನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅಥವಾ ಐವಿಎಫ್ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಜರಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಂಜೆತನವನ್ನು ನಿವಾರಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಜೈವಿಕ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವ ಸುಧಾರಿತ ಫಲವತ್ತತೆ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನೇಕರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿ, ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಅಥವಾ ಆನುವಂಶಿಕ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಬಂಜೆತನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿರಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತು ಫಲವತ್ತತೆ ತಜ್ಞರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೋಗ ನಿರ್ಣಯಕ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಚ್ಎಸ್ಆರ್ ಶಾಖೆಯ ನೆರವಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜನಿಸಿದ ಶಿಶುಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವ ಐವಿಎಫ್ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಓಎಸಿಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಚ್ಎಸ್ಆರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ
ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ at ಓಎಸಿಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ HSR layout. Today we are celebrating the Baby Gala event, a celebration of parenthood. This is what every couple who are married aspires for, and the day they become parents is the most joyous day of their lives. So to get that joy, not everybody is lucky enough to get it easily. Some people have to go through the treatment route. And the treatment route need not always be IVF. Some couple who have not been able to conceive comes to a fertility clinic doesn't mean that they have to go through only IVF. It can be a simple ovulation induction. Many times it can be only a counseling which can include probably diet counseling, a little bit of lifestyle modifications like how we do yoga every week, and we have diet counseling happening. Discussion with the doctor regarding their problems. So sometimes ovulation induction, intrauterine insemination. At times a couple might need certain fertility enhancing surgeries like laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, which we do regularly in our hospital. Then comes the IVF or ICSI, which is the most common thing which people know. Fertility treatment is not always equivalent to IVF, but yes, we do IVF here. There are a lot of couples who have conceived through IVF in our hospital. Our success rate is as good as 60 to 70%, which is probably much better than what we can expect in Western countries also at times. Along with that, we have further facilities like pre-implantation genetic testing for couples who have probably been trying, have also got pregnant, but somehow the pregnancy did not continue, to rule out any genetic disorders. We also have other procedures like microfluidics, TISA, for people who might have azoospermia but still have sperms, where they can achieve the pregnancy or their parenthood with their own gametes. So we come with a gamut of all these facilities in our own center so that they don't have to run from center to center, where they get treatment till they conceive. And after that, we have a lot of patients coming from different parts of Bangalore and different parts of Karnataka. So once they get pregnant and the pregnancy is going well, they go back to their obstetrician. So it is basically that patient is here only to achieve their fertility, and after that they can be in their own home and finish their rest of the part of the journey. Today you see so many couples, but there are just a few of them, because some of them are in their hometown. As I said, they don't stay here all through their pregnancy. They get pregnant, go to their hometown, live in the luxury of their home, and then finish their delivery. So we have a lot of people who have conceived through various forms of treatment, which may include ovulation induction, intrauterine insemination, sometimes just counseling and some other medication, IVF, ICSI also. Here we treat them, as I said, it is basically a whole gamut of treatment which we give, starting from counseling to medication, then to the procedures. So probably it is just a counseling, lifestyle counseling, or some marital counseling, psychological counseling happens, then comes the diet, then comes their lifestyle modification in the form of yoga, diet, exercise, etc., treatment. And then post delivery also today we are seeing, and most of them have already finished their diet counseling with a dietitian already.
My name is Shrija Nair. I am the center manager of Oasis Fertility HSR branch, and as you all know, Oasis Fertility is one of the leading fertility chain, and we are spread all over 30 branches in India. We have successfully finished 90,000 IVF cycles, and in Karnataka, if I have to say, we already have 3 branches, and we are very soon going on with coming up with one more branch. So thank you everyone for joining here for the World IVF Day, and we are here celebrating our World IVF Day with our delivered super parents with their cute little babies. Thank you very much for coming.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಡಯಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಡಯಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಹಾರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಂತಾನೋತ್ಪತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅದರ ಮೆಡಿಕೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಓಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿ ಎಫ್ಗಂತ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಜೆಸ್ಟೇಷನಲ್ ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು